Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a photo blurry in Canva. So for example, in this project, I want to add a background photo first like this. So just click on the background and click replace. And then I will have to choose the image that I want to use as a background. So for example, I'm going to choose this photo. And I want to make this background photo blurry. So click on the photo again and then click on effects like this. Click on effects again and then choose blur, and then the photo will become blur. So here you can also adjust the intensity of the blur effect like this. You can increase the intensity of the blur like I do here, so it will become more blurry than before. So that's how you make a photo blurry in Canva. And you can see here I'm also trying to make autofocus effect in a photo here, so it will only become blur on the background of the photo like this. Yeah, you can see that, right? So that's how you make a photo blur in Canva.